Risk factors can be aspects of a person's lifestyle or substances in the person's body or environment. Risk factors are linked to an increased rate of a disease. Examples of risk factors include smoking, exercising, UV light and exposure to carcinogens, such as ionizing radiation. Certain risk factors can be associated with causing non-communicable diseases. For instance, there might be a correlation between obesity and type 2 diabetes. However, a causal mechanism proves that one factor leads to another. Scientists try and find out the causal links between risk factors and non-communicable diseases. For example, by someone choosing to smoke, they are more likely to get lung cancer. This is due to the exposure to carcinogens. Living with non-communicable diseases has lots of possible impacts on a person's life. The impact could be financially, if the person worked beforehand, or socially, as the person may not get out as much. Local communities may have to support ill individuals. Both nationally and globally, huge sums of money are spent treating these diseases. Diet and exercise is crucial to being healthy and preventing potentially life-threatening diseases. Fat is used as insulation and to protect vital organs. However, overeating can lead to people becoming obese. Obesity could lead to serious diseases such as type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is when the body doesn't make enough insulin to control blood sugar levels, or when the cells in the body are no longer responsive to insulin. Kidney functioning is often affected by type 2 diabetes. This can be reversed by adopting a healthy diet. Exercising means the amount of respiration occurring in your body increases, and so more energy is needed. By exercising, your metabolic rate increases, and so you burn more fat. Regular exercise reduces blood cholesterol, and so lowers the chance of developing heart disease. By smoking, people expose themselves to many different harmful chemicals. Nicotine is the drug in cigarettes which make them addictive. Nicotine doesn't really do much harm. However, carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas which takes the place of oxygen in the blood. This is why people become short of breath when smoking. This is particularly worse in pregnancy. The fetus may not get enough oxygen to develop properly. Tar is one of the chemicals present in cigarettes which is harmful to the body. Tar builds up in the lungs, and this is what causes smokers to become short of breath. Tar is a carcinogen, and so it increases the likelihood of developing lung cancer. Smoking also affects the cilia in the trachea. The cilia move dirt particles away from the lungs and prevents mucus from building up in the trachea. Smoking stops the cilia from working, which allows mucus to build up, and this means the smoker is more likely to get infections. Another issue with smoking is to do with the heart. As a smoker, someone is more likely to have issues with the heart. For instance, nicotine increases the heart rate. We have already discussed cancer quite a bit, but we are now going to focus on cancer and tumours. Cancer is a malignant tumour. A malignant tumour is a tumour which can spread and infect healthy tissues of the body. Benign tumours can't spread around the body. These tumours form where there is uncontrolled cell division. Cell division is usually controlled and regular due to the cell cycle. However, when this cell cycle is not followed, cells divide rapidly. This irregular cell division can be due to genetics, being exposed to ionizing radiation, or mutations occurring in the genetic sequence. Cancer treatment usually involves chemotherapy, where the cells are prevented from dividing using chemicals, or radiotherapy, where radiation is used instead.